Good evening, everyone. I'm Kishla Adderley, and welcome to the Bahamas Tonight, the National Report. Thanks so much for joining us. Topping the news tonight, it is a free weekend. However, the mandatory 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Monday to Sunday curfews remain in effect. It's the first time residents have been able to freely roam the capital on the weekends with those restrictions. Now, Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis, as you recall, announced in a June 4th national press conference that the phased reopening of the economy will be done in a gradual and sustained manner. He encouraged his residents to continue adhering to safety protocols. He spoke with our Altaviz Munnings late today.
Prime Minister the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis has admitted that the national weekend lockdowns and mandatory curfews implemented since March as a part of the Emergency Powers COVID-19 orders have indeed helped to mitigate the spread of the COVID-19 virus nationwide. Now that the weekend lockdowns have ended, allowing residents to travel during the day on Saturdays and Sundays, the Prime Minister congratulated and thanked Bahamians and residents for their full response and cooperation to the emergency orders. But he reiterated in a telephone interview with our news team Friday that we are not out of the woods just yet.
We still continue to wear the mask and practice good hygienic condition, washing hands, etc. And I want to reassure them that we've just completed tough times of the past, that is Dorian, and we're now going through COVID. And I'm convinced that we would get through the economic challenges that face us. And it's only a matter of us continuing to work together and assisting and helping each other. And I also want to thank many of those big businesses who has been very responsive also and has done their part and community responsibilities.
It was on May 28th when the Prime Minister tabled a resolution in the House of Assembly to extend the Emergency Powers COVID-19 orders to June 29th. That included the national lockdowns and curfews. The Prime Minister couldn't say, though, if those orders will be extended after that date.
There's no book any of us can read. And in fact, people of tomorrow, the future generation, will read the book that we would have written. And it's fluid. And I continue to communicate with the technical people. And the technical people will advise as to the direction we should take, taking into consideration that we must maintain that balance, both safety and economic.
The last confirmed COVID-19 case was reported by Ministry of Health officials on June 6th, with New Providence still holding the highest number of confirmed cases, 81 out of the 103 total. Prime Minister Minnis is satisfied with the progress underway in New Providence.
So I know that many people have been upset that the beaches have been closed, but we've still taken that into consideration and recognized that the closure of the beaches were for our own safety. And I'm very thankful and appreciative of the response of the Indian people. And I think we continue to monitor and respond and behave responsibly.
Altaviz Munnings, ZNS Network News.